Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be, as most of the people know, that Algorithm Touch from Virgin Mobile. It's a non-Virgin Mobile apps. I have one new app. I just want to share with you, since everybody enjoying the new Optimus V. I still have the old Algorithm Touch, and it does work fine for me. This is the website. It's going to be a big link, so I will post it down at the bottom in description. So I'll just ignore it for right now. I'm sorry. Alright, it is going to be about the Angry Bird. Now, it's really crazy on all Android phone. People are using Angry Bird. I'm not a big fan of the games, but since I don't know, many people do have the LG Rumor Touch instead of what you call LG Optimus V or Samsung Intercept. So I'm assuming that you know how to, you do have the folder, so I'm just going to show you the real quick app. And if you want to see how to install, just see this video. I'll put the link like I said, and it's going to be on this second one. It says folder on media player with app, so you want to go there. Alright, let me go all the way down there, and hopefully there we go. Now it says update. It's 3/4/2011, so basically just about 5 days ago, because I'm doing on 3/9/2011. I haven't checked out the ebook and game pack and stuff, but as many people like the Angry Bird, I was like, go ahead and try the Angry Bird if it does work, and it does actually. It's worked pretty good. And alright, so next thing you want to do, it's go ahead and copy this. Just copy until zip, angrybird.zip. Copy. Now I can't really see because of I'm using one hand camera and one hand my laptop. So, and then this is the one we needed. You can directly click it, or you right click and open in new link tab, and that's what I do. So you can save this page and you're loading another one, like this one is staying here, going this one, media file. See all this, it's a media file. Okay, you wanna go to here, it says search files, right click and paste the angrybird.zip and press enter. It should be start searching now, and if you can see, but there we are. There is only one angrybird.zip. I don't think I'm looking at the right one. Just a minute, let me make sure that I'm doing the right one. So yes, I was. And once you click here, it's going to pop up a new what you call sidebar or new page, and it says page didn't found. I don't know why is that, but let's try it again. There we go, there we go. Might be my internet. So Now next thing you want to do is start download. I think I do have on my download folder, so I'm not going to. If I do, no I don't. So let me go ahead and download this. It just takes few seconds. There we are. Now you do need the WinRAR for it to unzip it. That's basically you need it for. Alright. You wanna plug your phone in and go to your apps and just extract this file on your desktop and press OK. Now it is done. It don't take much long time. So there we are with this and this. Now the next thing you want to do, once you plug it in your phone, I'm not ready for plugging in my phone, so sorry about that, but once you plug it in your phone, you just want to go ahead and select this both file, go ahead and copy this and paste it on your apps. Once you go to, if you did create your apps on your SD card, you just want to go ahead and copy and paste it there. Alright, so that's all about it on the computer. The next thing we are doing, that would be on the phone. As you can see, it's pretty nice. I mean, I would like to get the Optimus V because it's Android. That's the basic reason. Unless everything work great on this, but you can't do much with this and many things with the Optimus V. Alright. Once you hit the home, you wanna go to main menu, my stuff, and media card. If you did put it on, it should be here. It says you see apps.angrybirds landscape.jad. If you select both files and paste it, that should be like this. And once you send go, it's going to ask you for install and stuff, and you can just go ahead and install it. Now now it's not on the game. If you can see, it's not on the game list, but it is on the application. Once I install it, sometimes it's go on games, or you gotta look for it. Didn't take long time. You just go ahead and read the name, that's it. But here we are. This is the Angry Bird here, and wanna launch it. As you can see, it's a Nokia thing, but does work. It doesn't work on landscape because it's cut off half of the stuff. But if you are just doing time pass, if you're sitting in bus or just sitting around, yes, you can actually play pretty well. We're just going to select blah 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 blah. Go back. I don't know. Select. Not about it. Not here. Okay. Okay. I don't know why is that doing, but should be working. Like I said, I don't play game much on the cell phones, so well, I guess can't do it anymore. It was nice to you see this message. Alright, well, it does work first time. I don't know what happened this time, but I will still recommend you to go ahead and try it once if you really like the Angry Birds, or if you just want to experience what what is Angry Bird basically. Alright, there we go. See, it sounds pretty nice. As you can see, it's in full mode. Now I'm looking at camera, so don't even expect me, and I'm not good at it either because I just installed it yesterday. So, well, let's look around. As you can see, it's not bad app. Now if you go in landscape, this is the problem. You see, you can't see anything down here, and that's the only reason you can use it, unless let's try it another time. I know I gotta get used to it, I guess. You can see it's working well. We're try to enjoy this game. And it's not laggy. It's not. It's run very beautifully. Look at the graphics. I don't think it's like the Samsung Intercept. I think people have noticed that it is too laggy. No, this is not laggy, but it's not the Android phone. Remember that, as you can see. Right, so this was the LG Rumor Touch from Virgin Mobile, and installing the Angry Bird on it. Alright, thank you. If you like it, just give me a subscribe, whatever you want to do. This is just for information, this is just for my fun. Alright, thank you.